This is the Wizard PPE. Alright, let's go, Skyler. Let's go, Skyler.
Why are we,
We have to do this. This is the best intro of all time. Come down here and change your character. Quick, quick, quick.
Such a fat ass.
I know, right? 7 speed for the win. Let's go, Skyler. Get the Cyclops. It's serious.
So
You look like nature man. Let's go. You're so freaking fat. Let's go.
Go, Medusa.
Choose one. Choose one. So we're back, guys, with that horrible intro.
Oh, PK down here. Oh,
we missed it. With that horrible intro to this random Wizard MP. We're doing this.
I'll be the music.
No, already turned it off. It doesn't work like that anymore. So.
Okay, first I got myself. Oh, dude, I thought that was a horse.
Ooh, student robe and ring of the attack.
You did not get student robe yet, did?
I sure did.
Tier 4.
And a comet stat on. You stole it in my inventory. So I'm gonna equip my student robe.
I have a feeling that I'm going to get the most loot this time.
I know, right? The feeling
Not you, I'm talking about me, not you.
No, I was talking about, like, the last time you got that freaking... I forgot what you got last time. It was something way better than mine.
Oh, by the way, I just killed this thing.
What thing? I don't know what you're talking about. There better be a better staff. I got a
There better be a
quest.
cave. Never said that before in my life, but there better be a PK. Oh, I found you a staff, TP.
Yeah. Oh, you're such a troll. You're such a troll. Like, oh my god, I feel
I'm
like
such a troll. Oh my god.
freaking T0. Come on, man.
So our goal for this NPE is to just get like 6-8, and then we'll see where we go from there. But for now, it's just gonna be to get 6-8,
Yeah.
and maybe full tops too. I mean, I have the hiccups right now, so I feel like
just
with the
maybe,
hiccups,
if we can make it that far.
if we can make it that far, then we could probably make it to 8-8 as well.
Yeah, just maybe. Maybe.
We might not even make it to 6-8, so
Yeah.
hopefully we do though. But I've got the major hiccups, so I think we can make it.
Ooh, there's a power cave.
Fire cave?
Yeah.
Yay! So anyways, so that was a horrible intro, guys, but
It always
yeah.
has been and always will be.
that will always be the worst intro of the lifetime.
Yep.
Oh god, I have hiccups badly.
I can hear you through my
I know, it sounds like I'm dying, gasping for air.
Oh my god.
Oh god, this is gonna be a nice NPE, I can already tell.
Says the person that doesn't have a T4 robe.
Says the person who doesn't have a staff.
Alright, too sure.
Oh, tier 3 staff.
I just drank that HP pot first right there. You could have picked it up.
I didn't need it.
So more OP than yours.
I already have 6, and I mean HP pots.
Already have 10.
Wait, you already have 4 in your inventory too? I gotta start doing that. Oh, here I gotta.
Okay, sounds bad. Like,
Oh wait, don't get that HP pot, please. I kinda need it. Don't get that HP pot.
Oh, did you drop it, or did something drop it?
No, something dropped it. I just need 4 in my inventory though.
And just to be like the best of the best, I'm gonna stop all of my video recordings at exactly 15.
Just to be the best of the best?
Yes. Exactly at 15.
Oh, tier 2 in there.
I so called it. Aw, that's bull.
Let's just clear this.
What are you gonna do if we die? We're gonna be like in the bottom.
If we die, it's gonna suck.
Just gotta restart.
It's gonna restart all over, just like, oh yeah, guys, we died. We have to restart.
No, I'm gonna put the death. The death.
And we'll be like, GG. Permadeath. Alright, let's go. It's cleared.
So what level are you?
I am level
2.
4.
I'm level 5.
Hey, here.
What? I still have a better second. I got that robe advantage.
Yeah, but I've got better
Nothing.
stuff.
No, you don't.
Level 5. On a bit hopping for the
Drink.
Stop drinking them. Got to think I was gonna give you a common canine egg.
I don't. My like thing is already. Oh.
Oh god.
Oh, you freaking sub. Dude, one of my first subscribers just like.
Guys, guess what? This is not gonna be. I do not have a channel, so this is never gonna be on the channel on mine. So. Yeah, so don't look for me on YouTube because you won't find anything.
And if
So
you do look my YouTube up, you're gonna see me with like freaking like 7 subscribers.
7 subscribers, just like hashtag swag.
It's definitely a PPE.
Definitely dinosaur with hashtag swag. Got this hiccups though.
He just said penis player experience. My first subscriber.
Penis player experience.
Yeah, that's what he said.
I wouldn't recommend that, but you know, I don't think I have a penis in my inventory anywhere.
Yep.
Dude, I'm level 6, almost level 7.
That'd be weird. Oh, there you go. There you go. Look in that bag, bro.
What's in that bag? Oh, yay. Woo! Same set as you. Oh yeah, another one of our goals is to,
complete 1 shatters.
yes, complete 1 shatter and maybe get a twilight or,
One of the UTs.
or at least get one of the rings from there.
Alright, let's run this for tomorrow. If
You know,
I get a
that'd be pretty
bracer on
Okay, so basically our goal for this is to just be like get this in the top 100s at least.
yeah,
You know, never gonna happen, but
we can wish. Dude, you're like dying over there. You're just like.
no, I'm not.
Yes, you
Oh
are.
yeah, in real life I am.
Oh my god.
God.
You're just gonna look at this recording and then I'm gonna tell you how loud you are now. How loud.
You're just gonna like, you know what you should do? You should do a hiccup counter. Every time I hiccup, just put like 1, just add 1. Like by the time this video is over, we're gonna have like over 9,000 hiccups.
We're already going into 9 minutes into the video.
Damn.
Yeah. I think that intro was 30 seconds too long. Knowing that it was
30 seconds too long.
and it was 30 something seconds.
Oh god. I'm dying.
I should like put.
Mommy, help.
I should put a notion. No, actually, I'm gonna do a contest.
You know what you should do just to freak them out? Every time that I hiccup, put like a beep so that it sounds like a cuss. Like
No, I'm not gonna
I'm
do that.
dying.
I'm gonna make a contest, alright? I'm gonna make a contest out of this.
Okay.
I'm gonna, like, at the end of the video, I'm gonna be like, whoever can count all of Skyler's hiccups gets...
Comments, if we do get very swaggy, gets a free top. If we do get super swaggy, don't get your hopes up on it though, because we're both very much nubs.
Yeah. Knowing that I'm a higher star than him, that red stuff. He's still...
Knowing that I'm only a blue star, and he's only a red star.
Wow, that's pretty.
And we're nowhere near white star.
Don't you mean you? I'm closer than you.
Yeah, but not much.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean by not much? I have 34, you have like 6.
Look, wait, can we pause? Can you like just pause the recording so I can go get something to drink so that I don't die over here, please?
You can die over where?
Tell me when it's the end of the video. I can stop dying.
It's 4 minutes. You got 4 minutes.
Till the end?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh god.
Alright, I guess I can stop the recording for a couple seconds.
Alright, well, guys, since I'm dying, we're gonna stop now. Oh god.
We'll be back when Skyler decides
yeah.
to stop dying.
Oh god, let me go get some milk.
Alright, be right back, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we are back. Skyler.
I don't know if it's done.
Skyler has.
No, it's not over.
I TP'd right to his Sphinx. I just TP'd to this random group. Ooh. Ooh. Do not TP.
Yeah, let's get it.
Yes. Ooh. Yes.
No,
yes.
Give me the tier 5.
Alright,
Go to Nexus and give me the tier 5.
No, there's a coil snake down here.
I see it, I have
TP, it's safe. It's safe, I dropped it.
Woo!
Let's do this. It's right down there. Da-na-na. Da-na-na-na.
It just rumbles up.
TP. Drop a forbidden jungle. If I get the staff, I'm gonna freak.
Oh god, it's not over, guys.
Come on, let's go in. We go. Almost died trying to get in the portal. I was tanking the shots. Alright, so we're clearing this whole thing, right? Look.
What level are you? Are you almost level 12?
No, I'm level 8.
I mean, no, almost level 9.
No, I'm nowhere near.
I'm about to be level 9.
Alright.
God, this is gonna take a while.
Yeah, this might just be one of the hardest. Look at me. Oh my god. I might as well just rush this. We do 9 and 10 damage, bro.
Finally, we killed one of them.
Yeah, we killed one of them, not all of them. Pretty good.
3 down, so many more to go.
We have a minute and 40 seconds left into the episode. And then we're gonna have to stop recording, so then it can take this 20 minutes to finish. Encoding and uploading, right? And then.
What's your name? What's your name so I can subscribe to you?
I know that. I thought you didn't have a channel.
No, I have a YouTube, but I don't have a channel.
Alright, you better subscribe and post a comment. Make your name Mad God Boys ROTMG, alright? So they know it's you. Oh my god, it's the hardest thing in the world.
My name's gonna be Cut Your Gut, I'm sorry, it's already Cut Your Gut.
Wow. Well, if you do start a channel, that's what's gonna be, right?
Probably.
Oh my god. Rushing it. Such the best Rusher. I have literally 5 subscribers, but I don't care.
Now you have 6.
Yep. Wow.
I don't care. I want to see what your I don't care video is. Oh my god.
Don't watch that. Don't watch that. Oh my god. Alright, Skyler, we're gonna have to start recording. Thank you, YouTube, for tuning in to the Wizard PPE. And I hope you guys
thank you
all
so
love me.
much. I might be dying right now. Yeah, I'm dying right now.